Sperian Online Training. Introduction to Sperian. Sperian is a data security and privacy software company that focuses on discovering, classifying, and protecting sensitive information across an organization's data landscape. The platform is designed to help businesses manage their data privacy and security needs by identifying and mitigating risks associated with sensitive data, such as personally identifiable information, PII, payment card information, PCI, and other confidential data. Key features of Sperian. Data discovery. Sperian uses advanced search algorithms to discover sensitive data across various sources, including databases, cloud storage, endpoints, and files. The software can scan structured and unstructured data to identify information that needs protection. Data classification. After discovering sensitive data, Sperian classifies it based on predefined or custom categories. This helps organizations understand the types and locations of sensitive data they hold, enabling more effective data management and protection. Data protection. Sperian provides tools for protecting sensitive data, including encryption, redaction, and secure deletion. These measures help prevent unauthorized access, reduce the risk of data breaches, and ensure compliance with data protection regulations. Compliance and reporting. Sperian assists organizations in meeting regulatory compliance requirements such as GDPR, CCPA, HIPAA, and PCI DSS. The platform offers detailed reporting and auditing capabilities, enabling organizations to demonstrate compliance and manage risks effectively. Automated remediation. Sperian enables automated actions based on the classification and sensitivity of data. For instance, it can trigger workflows for data encryption, access control adjustments, or notifications to relevant stakeholders. Integration and scalability. Sperian integrates with various security and data management tools, allowing organizations to incorporate its capabilities into existing workflows. The platform is scalable, making it suitable for organizations of different sizes and industries. Use cases. Data privacy management. Sperian helps organizations manage data privacy by identifying and protecting personal data, reducing the risk of non-compliance with privacy regulations. Risk mitigation. By discovering and securing sensitive data, Sperian minimizes the risk of data breaches and associated financial and reputational damage. Regulatory compliance. Sperian supports compliance with various data protection regulations by providing tools for data discovery, classification, and reporting. Data discovery and classification with Sperian. Sperian is a data discovery and classification tool designed to help organizations identify, classify, and protect sensitive information. This software is especially valuable for companies aiming to comply with regulations such as GDPR, CCPA, HIPAA, and other data privacy laws. Here's an overview of its key features and how it supports data discovery and classification. Key features. Data discovery. Comprehensive scanning. Sperian uses a variety of techniques, including pattern matching, machine learning, and contextual analysis, to locate sensitive data across various locations like on-premises servers, databases, cloud storage, and endpoints. Customizable searches. Users can create customized search profiles tailored to their organization's specific needs. This includes searching for specific types of data like social security numbers, credit card information, or intellectual property. Unstructured data. Sperian is particularly effective in discovering sensitive information in unstructured data, such as emails, documents, and files, which are often harder to manage. Data classification. Automated classification. Sperian automatically classifies data based on predefined policies. These policies can be customized according to the organization's compliance requirements. Tagging and labeling. Once data is classified, Sperian tags and labels it according to its sensitivity level. This helps in applying appropriate security measures, such as encryption or access controls. User-driven classification. In addition to automated processes, Sperian allows for user-driven classification, where employees can manually classify data as they create or handle it. Data protection. Remediation actions. Sperian offers remediation options such as encrypting, quarantining, or deleting sensitive data that is at risk of exposure. Reporting and analytics. The platform provides detailed reports and analytics to help organizations understand where sensitive data resides and how it's being used. This is crucial for audits and ongoing compliance efforts. Integration and automation. Integration with other security tools. Sperian integrates with other security tools such as DLP, data loss prevention, solutions, CM, security information and event management, systems, and IAM, identity and access management, platforms to enhance overall data security. Automation capabilities. The tool supports automation for continuous monitoring, classification, and remediation, helping reduce the manual workload on IT and security teams. Compliance support. Regulatory compliance. Sperian helps organizations stay compliant with various data protection regulations by ensuring that sensitive data is identified, classified, and protected according to regulatory requirements. Audit trails. It provides detailed audit trails to demonstrate compliance during regulatory audits. Use cases. GDPR compliance, identifying and managing EU citizen data across different storage locations. Financial services, locating and securing customer financial information such as account numbers and credit card data. Healthcare, ensuring HIPAA compliance by protecting patient health information, fee. Education, protecting student data under regulations like FERPA. Benefits. Risk reduction. By identifying and securing sensitive data, organizations can significantly reduce the risk of data breaches and fines for non-compliance. Key features and capabilities of Sperian. Sperian is a data protection and privacy management software designed to help organizations discover, classify, monitor, and protect sensitive data. Here are the key features and capabilities of Sperian. 1. Sensitive data discovery. Comprehensive search. Sperian scans endpoints, servers, databases, and cloud storage to identify sensitive information like PII, personally identifiable information, PCI, payment card information, fee, protected health information, and intellectual property. Multi-format detection. It supports the detection of data in various formats, including structured and unstructured data, emails, documents, images, and more. 2. Data classification. Automated classification. Sperian automatically classifies sensitive data based on predefined or custom policies. Tagging and labeling. It enables tagging and labeling of data according to sensitivity levels, which helps in applying appropriate security controls and policies. 3. Data monitoring and tracking. Continuous monitoring. Sperian continuously monitors the environment to detect changes or unauthorized access to sensitive data. Real-time alerts. It provides real-time alerts and notifications for data access, movement, and other activities that could signal a potential breach. 4. Data protection and remediation. Data encryption. Sperian can enforce encryption policies to protect sensitive data, both at rest and in transit. Redaction and masking. It offers data redaction and masking capabilities to protect sensitive information from unauthorized users. Automated remediation. The platform can automatically take remediation actions, such as deleting, quarantining, or encrypting sensitive data based on predefined rules. 5. Privacy compliance management. Regulatory compliance. Sperian helps organizations comply with various data protection regulations such as GDPR, CCPA, HIPAA, and more by ensuring that sensitive data is properly managed and protected. Reporting and auditing. It generates comprehensive reports and audit trails that help demonstrate compliance with privacy regulations and internal policies. 6. Policy management. Customizable policies. Organizations can define and manage custom data protection and privacy policies tailored to their specific needs. Policy enforcement. Sperian ensures that these policies are consistently applied across all data sources and environments. 7. Integration capabilities. Seamless integration. Sperian integrates with various security tools, CM systems, DLP, data loss prevention solutions, and other enterprise applications to enhance data protection workflows. API support. It offers API support for custom integrations and automation of data discovery and protection tasks. 8. User and role management. Granular access control. Sperian provides granular access control to ensure that only authorized personnel can access or manage sensitive data. Role-based access. It supports role-based access management, enabling organizations to restrict access based on user roles and responsibilities. 9. Scalability and performance. Scalable architecture. Sperian is designed to scale across large enterprises, supporting thousands of endpoints and vast amounts of data without compromising performance. Cloud and on-premises deployment. The platform is available for both on-premises and cloud deployments, offering flexibility to meet various organizational needs. Sperian's role in data security and privacy. Sperian plays a significant role in data security and privacy by providing organizations with tools to discover, classify, and protect sensitive data across various environments. Its key features and contributions include: 1. Data discovery. Comprehensive search. Sperian can search across structured and unstructured data, including files, databases, emails, and cloud environments to identify sensitive information such as personally identifiable information, PII, payment card information, PCI, and protected health information, FI. Customizable discovery. Users can customize search criteria to find specific types of data relevant to their organization, ensuring that all sensitive data is identified regardless of its location. 2. Data classification. Automated classification. Once sensitive data is discovered, Sperian automatically classifies it according to predefined or custom policies. This helps organizations understand the sensitivity and criticality of the data they possess. Metadata tagging. Sperian applies metadata tags to classified data, making it easier to manage, track, and protect sensitive information throughout its life cycle. 3. Data protection. Encryption. Sperian supports encryption of sensitive data to protect it from unauthorized access. This ensures that even if data is compromised, it remains unreadable without the appropriate decryption keys. Access control. By integrating with existing identity and access management (IAM) systems, Sperian ensures that only authorized users can access sensitive data, reducing the risk of data breaches. Data masking. Sperian offers data masking capabilities to obscure sensitive information in non-production environments, allowing organizations to use realistic data for testing and development without exposing actual sensitive data. 4. Compliance and reporting. Regulatory compliance. Sperian helps organizations comply with data protection regulations such as GDPR, CCPA, HIPAA, and others by ensuring that sensitive data is properly identified, classified, and protected. Audit trails and reporting. Sperian provides detailed audit trails and reporting features that allow organizations to demonstrate compliance with regulatory requirements and internal policies. Reports can be customized to meet specific needs and provide insights into data security posture. 5. Risk mitigation. Vulnerability identification. By continuously monitoring and scanning for sensitive data, Sperian helps organizations identify potential vulnerabilities in their data security practices, allowing them to take proactive measures to mitigate risks. Incident response. In the event of a data breach, Sperian's capabilities enable organizations to quickly identify the extent of the exposure, the types of data involved, and take appropriate actions to contain and remediate the breach. 6. Integration and scalability. Integration with security ecosystems. Sperian can integrate with other security tools and platforms, such as CM systems, DLP solutions, and encryption tools, to provide a comprehensive approach to data security and privacy. Scalability. Sperian is designed to scale with the organization, handling large volumes of data across multiple environments, making it suitable for both small businesses and large enterprises. Compliance and regulatory support with Sperian. Sperian is a data privacy management platform that helps organizations discover, classify, and protect sensitive data to ensure compliance with various regulations and standards. Here's an overview of how Sperian supports compliance and regulatory requirements. 1. Data discovery and classification. Comprehensive data scanning. Sperian scans across multiple data sources, including files, emails, databases, and cloud storage, to discover sensitive information such as PII, personally identifiable information, fee, protected health information, financial data, and intellectual property. Accurate classification. Once the data is discovered, Sperian classifies it according to predefined categories or custom rules. This classification helps in aligning with regulatory requirements like GDPR, CCPA, HIPAA, and PCI DSS. 2. Automated policy enforcement. Customizable policies. Organizations can create and enforce custom policies for handling sensitive data, ensuring that it meets the specific requirements of various regulations. Automated remediation. Sperian offers automated remediation actions like encryption, redaction, or deletion of sensitive data, helping organizations stay compliant by managing data according to regulatory standards. 3. Compliance reporting. Detailed reports. Sperian generates detailed reports that provide insights into where sensitive data is located, how it is being managed, and whether it is compliant with relevant regulations. Audit trails. The platform maintains a comprehensive audit trail of data discovery, classification, and remediation activities, which is essential for demonstrating compliance during audits. 4. Regulatory alignment. Support for multiple regulations. Sperian is designed to help organizations comply with a wide range of regulations, including GDPR, General Data Protection Regulation, focusing on the privacy of EU citizens. CCPA, California Consumer Privacy Act, providing privacy rights to California residents. HIPAA, Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, for the protection of health information. PCI DSS, Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard, for securing payment card data. SOX, Sarbanes-Oxley Act, which mandates financial transparency and controls. Data Subject Rights Management. Sperian supports the management of data subject rights requests, such as access, rectification, and erasure, helping organizations meet their regulatory obligations. 5. Risk assessment and mitigation. Risk scoring. Sperian provides risk scoring for identified sensitive data, helping organizations prioritize remediation efforts based on potential compliance risks. Incident response. The platform includes tools for responding to data breaches and other security incidents, which is crucial for compliance with breach notification laws. 6. Integration with security and compliance tools. Seamless integration. Sperian integrates with various security, governance, and compliance tools, enhancing the overall compliance posture by ensuring that sensitive data is protected throughout its life cycle. 7. Training and awareness. User education. Sperian also offers training resources to help employees understand compliance requirements and how to handle sensitive data appropriately, reducing the risk of non-compliance. Best practices for Sperian implementation. Implementing Sperian, a data security and privacy solution, requires careful planning and execution to ensure that sensitive data is effectively identified, classified, and protected. Here are some best practices for Sperian implementation. 1. Define clear objectives. Identify goals, determine the specific data types and locations you need to protect, such as personally identifiable information, PII, payment card information, PCI, or intellectual property (IP). Compliance requirements: align your implementation with relevant regulatory requirements, example GDPR, HIPAA, to ensure compliance. 2. Perform a comprehensive data discovery. Scan all potential data repositories, include endpoints, servers, databases, cloud storage, and emails. Regular scans: schedule periodic scans to ensure continuous monitoring and identification of sensitive data. 3. Customize data classification policies. Tailor policies: customize Experience data classification policies to match your organization's specific data governance rules. Utilize pre-built patterns: leverage Experience pre-built data patterns and add custom patterns if needed. 4. Engage stakeholders early. Involve key departments, include IT, legal, compliance, and business units in the planning and implementation process. Training: provide comprehensive training for stakeholders on Experience functionality and its role in data protection. 5. Establish robust data handling procedures. Automate data handling: set up rules for automated data masking, redaction, encryption, or deletion based on the classification. Access control: ensure that only authorized users can access sensitive data and enforce strict access control policies. 6. Monitor and audit regularly. Continuous monitoring: enable real-time monitoring to track access and movement of sensitive data. Audit logs: maintain detailed audit logs for compliance and forensic analysis. 7. Optimize performance. Scalability: plan for scalability by optimizing Experience performance across your IT infrastructure. Resource allocation: allocate sufficient resources for scan operations, particularly in large or complex environments. 8. Integrate with existing security tools. Security ecosystem: integrate Experience with your existing security tools, example DLP, CM, IAM, for a holistic data protection strategy. API integration: utilize Experience APIs to automate workflows and enhance the efficiency of your security operations. 9. Test and validate. Pilot testing: start with a pilot implementation in a controlled environment to identify potential issues and refine your approach. User acceptance testing: UAT engage end users to test the system and provide feedback on usability and effectiveness. 10. Develop a response plan. Incident response: create an incident response plan that details how to react to data breaches or policy violations detected by Experience. Reporting: ensure that reporting mechanisms are in place to alert relevant stakeholders promptly. Experience approach to data governance. Experience approach to data governance focuses on ensuring the protection, management, and compliance of sensitive data across an organization. Here's how Experience implements its approach. 1. Data discovery and classification. Discovery: Experience uses advanced data discovery tools to scan and locate sensitive information across structured and unstructured data sources. This includes files, databases, emails, and cloud storage. Classification: once data is discovered, Experience applies classification labels based on the sensitivity level of the data. This helps organizations understand what data they have and the appropriate governance controls needed. 2. Data protection. Encryption. Sperian ensures that sensitive data is encrypted both at rest and in transit, reducing the risk of data breaches. Access control. Sperian enables fine-grained access control to sensitive data, ensuring that only authorized personnel can access or modify the data. 3. Compliance management. Regulatory compliance. Sperian supports compliance with various regulations like GDPR, CCPA, HIPAA, and more by automating the discovery and management of data that falls under these regulations. Audit and reporting. Sperian provides detailed audit logs and reports that help organizations demonstrate compliance during regulatory audits. 4. Data minimization. Sperian helps organizations adhere to the principle of data minimization by identifying redundant, obsolete, or trivial, rot data and ensuring it is appropriately managed or disposed of. 5. Risk management. Risk assessment. Sperian continuously assesses the risk associated with sensitive data, helping organizations prioritize their data protection efforts based on the potential impact of data breaches. Incident response. In the event of a data breach, Sperian's tools facilitate quick identification of affected data and help streamline the incident response process. 6. Data governance policies. Policy enforcement. Sperian allows organizations to define and enforce data governance policies across all data assets, ensuring consistent management practices. Continuous monitoring. Sperian continuously monitors data to ensure that governance policies are being followed and alerts administrators to any deviations. 7. Integration and automation. Integration. Sperian integrates with other security and data management tools, allowing for a unified approach to data governance. Automation. Through automation, Sperian reduces the manual effort required to manage data governance, enabling organizations to scale their governance efforts effectively. Future trends and innovations in Sperian. Sperian, known for its data privacy and protection solutions, is continually evolving to address the ever-changing landscape of data security and compliance. Here are some potential future trends and innovations that could shape Sperian's development. 1. AI-driven data discovery and classification. Trend. The use of AI and machine learning in data discovery is becoming more sophisticated. Future versions of Sperian may leverage advanced AI to enhance the accuracy and speed of identifying sensitive data across diverse and complex data environments. Innovation. Sperian could implement deep learning models to better understand the context of data, allowing for more precise classification and reducing false positives. 2. Integration with cloud-native security. Trend. As organizations increasingly adopt cloud technologies, Sperian might focus on integrating with cloud-native security frameworks. This could include support for multi-cloud environments and integration with cloud service providers like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Innovation. Enhance cloud data discovery and protection features with real-time monitoring and automated remediation for cloud-based data breaches. 3. Enhanced privacy regulations compliance. Trend. With the continuous introduction of global data privacy regulations, example GDPR, CCPA, and new regulations in the US and other countries, Sperian is likely to advance its tools to support compliance with these evolving laws. Innovation: automated updates to compliance frameworks within Sperian to immediately reflect new laws, allowing businesses to stay compliant without manual intervention. 4. Automation and orchestration. Trend: automation in data protection processes will likely become more prominent, reducing the need for manual intervention. Innovation: Sperian may develop more robust automation and orchestration capabilities, integrating with other security tools and platforms to create a seamless and automated data protection workflow. 5. Zero Trust Data Security. Trend: Zero trust is becoming a foundational principle in cybersecurity, and Sperian might incorporate more zero trust principles in its data protection strategy. Innovation: implementation of continuous verification and monitoring of user access to sensitive data, ensuring that data access is limited to the minimum necessary and is constantly evaluated. 6. Advanced Data Protection Analytics. Trend: analytics is becoming crucial in understanding and mitigating risks associated with data breaches. Innovation: Sperian could introduce more advanced analytics and reporting features, possibly with predictive analytics to forecast potential data security issues before they occur. 7. Data-centric security. Trend: the focus on data-centric security, where protection is applied directly to the data itself, is likely to grow. Innovation: Sperian may enhance encryption, tokenization, and anonymization features to ensure data remains secure regardless of its location or how it is transmitted. 8. User Behavior Analytics (UBA) integration. Trend: understanding user behavior patterns is key to preventing insider threats and detecting anomalies. Innovation: integration of UBA to monitor and analyze how users interact with sensitive data, helping to identify and respond to potential security incidents more effectively. 9. IoT and Edge Data Security. Trend: with the growth of IoT and edge computing, there's a rising need for securing data at the edge. Why choose ProExcellency for Sperian Online Training? Choosing ProExcellency for Sperian Online Training could offer several advantages. Expert instructors: ProExcellency likely has experienced instructors who are well-versed in Sperian's data protection and privacy management solutions, ensuring that you receive high-quality training. Comprehensive curriculum: the training program may cover all aspects of Sperian, including data discovery, classification, and protection, along with practical use cases and real-world scenarios. Flexible learning options: online training often provides flexibility in terms of scheduling and pacing, allowing you to learn at your own convenience without compromising your daily responsibilities. Hands-on experience: ProExcellency might offer hands-on labs and practical exercises, giving you the opportunity to apply what you've learned in a simulated environment, which can enhance your skills. Certification assistance: they may provide guidance and resources to help you prepare for Sperian certification exams, boosting your credentials in data security and privacy management. Post-training support: access to ongoing support and resources after the training can be valuable as you begin to apply Sperian in your professional environment. Positive reputation: ProExcellency may have a good reputation and positive reviews from previous trainees, which can be an indicator of the quality of their training services. Thank you.